Hello, everyone. This week, as we analyze instructional materials through the lens of cognitive theory of multimedia learning (CTML), especially we're going to focus to manage our learner cognitive load by using two principles, which is the signaling and redundancy. Okay, first we're going to review the first material. Right, I'm using this my old Canva slide, right? So you can see this slide, which is the first material we're going to analyze. This is the before slide, right? You can see here they are like explaining various reusable energy in the subject I teach, which is RBT. Then what I do to improve this, I use signaling principle by putting arrows from the description to the video images. Okay, these arrows. So these arrows give the learners some sort of direction where to look for the relevant material. All right. The next material is ebook material. Okay, I found this ebook on Minecraft education coding related guide where we're going to look at this very specific part that explain loops. All right, it's very redundant because it explains loops and then the image that it provides is just the looping symbols. It doesn't have like any clear um, guidance or sources to make the learners think or guide or something. Okay, so this is what I do. Then I put loop, the same description, and then I put the loop interface. All right, on the game that the code area they have loops, all this example of things. So when they read this ebook, they know, oh, that's the loops, that's the that's the part in the game where you need to look for the certain blocks of codes, All right, next we're going to go to the educational view. Right, this is
Okey,
the educational videos
sejahtera.
that
Assalamualaikum
I
cikgu-cikgu.
made
Hari ini saya akan
few
ajar.
years ago, but I think it's better if I do it like this. Okay, I give it like top half there, before and after. Let's see. Let's play for like a bit.
Okey, selamat sejahtera. Assalamualaikum cikgu-cikgu. Hari ini saya akan ajar cara untuk login ke Google Classroom dan juga import anak murid cikgu secara pukal ke dalam classroom yang cikgu akan.
Okay, first thing first, you will notice I put add in subtitles, and then over here,
MY. Okey, kita log masuk. Type dekat address bar tu portal.
all right, I apply a zoom feature so that when I'm highlighting something, I will like zoom in, so like signal the learners where should we focus on that thing. And then there's a few other
Di
examples.
jalan yang betul. Dan saya akan
Same
tunjukkan
thing,
tambah ni. Create class.
see, like the arrows and zoom features. So this is it. That the material that I analyzed and I implement some principles like redundancy and signaling principles. But in your opinion, does this video have like cognitive overload since it has subtitles, a narration, subtitle, and then the visuals? In your opinion, does it have cognitive loads? For me, I don't think it is. It has cognitive loads. My student prefer if I put in subtitles. My viewer also like when we put in subtitles because we have to consider the learner's environment. Maybe they're in a classroom with a lot of students and the audio is not very clear. So the subtitle helps the student. If they can't hear it properly, maybe they can read what the narration is so they will learn and understand better. So that is my opinion. So this is my presentation. So thank you.